Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika, and in today's video we're going to be doing something really summery, and it's going to be a floral nail art. So I'm going to be adding this video in the same playlist as my previous videos, and you can check it out in the link above. And all you need for today's nail art is a toothpick as well as a paintbrush. But if you don't have a paintbrush, you can completely do this just using a toothpick. And now without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So for my manicure today, I'm going to be starting with a base coat, and this will prevent your nails from staining. So I'm just going to be using the transparent polish by Lacquer and using it as my base coat as well as a top coat later on. So for my base color today, I'm going to be using this beautiful violet shade by China Glaze, and it's absolutely stunning. It's such a summery shade. So you can see that on the first coat, it's not completely opaque, it's a little bit sheer. So I will be applying a second coat, and this is such a lovely shade. So I've applied 2 coats of this polish on all my nails, and you can see that it definitely brings out that summer ambience. So next I'll be using a white polish for my petals and another yellow polish as the center of my flower. So this is a brush I will be using today, and if you don't have a brush, you can definitely use a toothpick to form these lines. And for the center of my flower, I'm going to be using the end of the toothpick. So I'm going to start by applying white dots on my nail, and this will form the center of my flower. So for this nail, I've just drawn 3 dots. That means I'm going to create 3 flowers. So next I'm going to be using the brush and my white polish, and I will start drawing lines from the center of the dot to however big you want the flower to be. So you can draw any number of lines per dot. It does not need to match each flower because every flower is different. And towards the end of your nail, you can always draw a half flower to complete the look. So once I'm done with drawing the flowers, I'm just going to be using my yellow polish and the toothpick, and you can see how I've created these dots. So the same way, I'm just going to be using this toothpick to create the dots at the center of the flower. I will also be adding a few dots here and there just to complete this look. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I've created the other flowers, and you can see not every flower is the same or not every flower is identical, but that's okay. It just looks really pretty when you're done with your manicure. So once you're done with that, you can apply a glossy layer of top coat to seal this manicure off. So this is how the final manicure looks like, and this definitely brings that summer look, and you can use any combination of colors that you like. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to not miss any videos, and also give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment box below what you think of it. That's all for today's video. See you on the next one.